And now, this.
And now, the inevitable sad consequences of morning show anchors celebrating Halloween.
Halloween edition of Daybreak. We've all got just enough on to really put us over the top.
I'm Charlie Chaplin.
Something along those
You
lines.
gotta get the gloves. You have the gloves.
I got some skeleton gloves on, making it work.
I have another 365 to think about you in that Batman costume. You have a little cookie.
That's right.
I love it.
Thank you.
Ooh, scary.
I'll look at you, my pretty.
Oh my goodness. Are you some kind of headless person? Who are you?
I'm a headless person.
You look so cute, Chastity.
I'm super pumped about it.
I know, you're very excited.
Super pumped about being dressed up today.
My equipment isn't working as well when you sit down because I think it creates air pockets.
Come on, say hi, you guys.
Here we go.
Look at this. Yay.
This looks like just a t-shirt.
Let's go check in with Easy. Good look at your roadways this morning. Hey, Easy.
Hey, good morning. Some busy roadways out there, and unfortunately, we still have this fatal collision that's in the pickup stages in Yolo County.
Moving on.